Fifth sub question, root 3x square plus 4x plus root 3 is the trinomial. First step would be to write the first term and the last term as it is. So here the first term is root 3x square. So we write root 3x square as it is. We write the last term root 3 as it is. Now we have to write the sum and the product. The sum is the coefficient of the x term, which is 4. The product is the product of the coefficient of the x square term and the constant term, that is root 3 into root 3, which is equal to nothing but 3. Okay, so we have the sum as 4 and product is 3. I think all of you remember root 3 into root 3 is 3. We have done in surds also. Okay, now which can be the two factors where the product is 3 and the sum is 4? We know when the product is 3, there can be only a pair of factors, that is 3 and 1, no other pair of factors. When we add this, can we get 4? Yes. And have we to bother about minus here? No. Why? Because the trinomial which is given to us, all of them are positive. So if I have plus 3 and plus 1, that will be plus 4. 3 into 1 is 3. So here when I am filling in the factors, I can write 3x and 1x or just 3x and x. So I'll write here plus 3x plus, we can write 1x or just x plus root 3 is already there. Now what is the next step? To take common in the first two terms. So now you must remember 3 we got as root 3 into root 3. That means I can say that root 3 is present in 3. So when I am taking common from this term, I can say that this is root 3 into root 3. So I can take root 3 common out. Why? Because here also there is root 3 and this 3 is nothing but root 3 into root 3. So if I took root 3 out, what about here the variable? Here I have x square, here I have x. So I am taking x common out. Now inside the bracket, now you see the bracket I have written here square bracket. You write round bracket or you write square bracket, it is one and the same. Now if root 3x is out, what is left now? Only 1x. So we write here x plus. Now from 3, root 3 is already out, so one more root 3 is left. X is already out, so we don't have to write anything. Now we have the next two terms, x plus root 3. In that nothing is common, so I write plus 1 and put a bracket. If nothing is common, then the terms remain as it is, x plus root 3. Now do we see in this brackets the same terms are there, x plus root 3 and x plus root 3. That means in this one term and this one term, x plus root 3 is common. So I take x plus root 3 common out. What is left outside x plus root 3 brackets? Root 3x plus 1. So in the other bracket, I will have root 3x plus 1. So this x plus root 3 into root 3x plus 1 are the factors of root 3x square plus 4x plus root 3.